Alright guys, so I got my delivery here from Irish Tarantula for Tarantulas for Sale Ireland from their Facebook page. You can see, okay, I just taped out my name there, so I'm gonna open this. Could you actually... Heat pack in there, which is still warm. That's nice to see, you know, the cold weather. See this heat pack? It's nice and warm. It's leaking in the corner, but it's warm. That's the main thing. So, try and open up this bubble wrap now. I actually like how it seems to be wrapped in Christmas paper inside here. That's lovely, wrapped like a Christmas present. Nice little touch for this time of year. Literally like a Christmas present. Wonder how many layers there are. Slowly and steadily, and that's 2 layers now. Another one. At least this one isn't taped this way. Tin foil as well, that's good. A lot of care taken with this package to make sure the tarantulas are very, very well packaged inside it. I don't think there's any worry that these guys got cold in the one night that they were in the post. The guy literally put these in the post to me there yesterday. Today is Tuesday that I'm unboxing this. So that's the crowd there. Tarantulas for Sale Ireland online shop and their Facebook page. These guys were really helpful, really nice when I was talking to them online. Probably the friendliest people I've ever spoken to when it comes to buying anything online. Where from the moment I first contacted them, joking around and having a good time, chatting to me like. Yeah. We have funnily enough, if you pull the camera back here, there's actually a little spider that's just come to say hello and see what we were doing. So I'll take all the files out so we can see what we have first. So we have a Nandu here. This is my first Nandu. We have we have an N chromatus that he's after sending for free. That's amazing. Try and wedge this last one out. This one's in here very tight. Oh wait, I think there's more than one tarantula in this one. Yeah, there is. There's actually 3 in here. There's Bohemi, Grammostola rosea, which are both 2 I ordered, and the chromatus was one he put in for free, but he also seems to have put all these in for free as well. That is absolutely amazing. So we're going to unbox this one first and get her into her new house. I know I have no water bowl in there at the moment, but oh, I can already see this lovely butt here and the stripes on the legs. So hopefully we can get this one to come out. I don't want her to bolt out onto my hand. So, roll this, because Randus can have a bit of a rep. Another layer, and where's our last layer? Plant getting in the way now. Oh, she's gorgeous. I want to try. Oop. Didn't mean to do that. I want her to go down and in. Oh, let me go down. Kicking some hairs at me there. Come on, Annie. Oop. No, we want you to stay in there. So, just get a nice shot of her there. Just the shadows and stuff. And now I'll try and get her to go back. Hopefully she will. She's backing off there now. So we have her in rehoused. I actually might set up a bigger tub for her because she's actually slightly bigger than I even expected. So which one's this? Rosé red. Okay, we'll get her in first. She's on it. These guys are only little now, so that's nice and grand. Don't worry about them causing chaos. We have this one's the Grammastola Rosé. We have Brachypelma Bohemi and Enchrematus. It's tiny, but we'll get the rosé into her new house, and she's right at the top here, so hopefully she won't run out on me. Come on, mate. Come on. Come on. That typical Grammastola attitude. She's just interested in things. Come on. I'd like you to come out. Let's see if I can get her to... From the looks of it, I don't think she wants to come out. I think I'm gonna just have to leave the vial in there for her to come out on her own time. So we'll just leave her with her vial there, and she can come out in her own time. I'll get a shot of her later. Pause. And get the Bohemi out now. But I'd say, like the last one now, it's probably just going to stay in the vial, so I'll just open the vial. I will make an attempt to see if I can get this one to come out. Come on. Sometimes they're so funny and stubborn. Come on. Come on. This one's much more willing to come out. Come on. Come on. I don't know if you can actually see her sitting on the lid. So we'll get a lid on this before she bolts out. I hope that showed up in camera. The little spazzy run. And we'll move on to the last of these. No, it's not actually the last tarantula, it's the second last tarantula. The little free chromalis, this one is just hilariously small. And I don't know if you can even see that in the camera. I think I was going to rehouse this one into this tub, but I think just considering how small it is, I think I'll actually just keep it aside, and I might rehouse it into something like this later. That looks just a little bit too spacey for it, so we'll actually move on, and I'll put the pea Cambridge eye in here, because I haven't actually taken this one out yet, so I don't know how big this one is. I assume it's a sling like the other ones here, but just in case this one's a little bit bigger, it might be okay to go in here. Oh, it is. Not a huge amount bigger, but a little bit bigger. Cambridge eye. And cockroaches. The cockroaches. That's awesome that he sent me a cockroach colony. It's fantastic. And Indian stick insects. So we'll take a look at them later. But we'll get this Cambridge eye, who is very fast. Literally says it on the vial here, warning me that it's very fast. So I'm actually just going to make sure I have a catch cup completely ready here. One or two. Actually, that's probably the perfect catch cup. So let's see how this goes. This is an arboreal spider as well, so these guys, I think what I'll try and do is I'll actually just open the vial. You don't want them to go lula. Careful of shear there, sitting in the tree, so I'll get some better shots, photos later over. But that's all the tarantulas unboxed now.
Perfect.